Hi everyone, and if you want to know how to fix Reddit not loading on mobile, you've come to the right place. So if your Reddit is not working, there are three main ways how to solve this problem. First of all, go to your Play Store and make sure that when you find your Reddit, here it says open. If it says update, so first of all you need to update your Reddit application, and also click here and enable auto update because it's really useful. So another way to solve it is just to push on Reddit and hold it, and here you can find app info. Click on app info, and here you can see storage and cache. Click on storage and cache, and here you need to clear your storage and cache. After that, the Reddit should be working. If two these ways not helping you, you need to fully uninstall your Reddit and install it again. So the problem should be fixed. Thank you for watching, leave a like and subscribe.